canopy, just in case. Our cot. We don't have a good sleep system yet, so we keep running with this cot. Use an old toolbox when I was selling construction to organize kitchen, first aid, some other miscellaneous stuff. That's perfect. Alright, see this table fit in there. Wheels might be in the way. Perfect. Some chairs and mats. There, like that. Portable hammock. Another portable hammock. Water for the weekend. That fits in there perfect. It fits. Cheap Coleman tent. Go up here. Gas griddle. Blackstone. It looks like it fits perfect. Put something in here so that it doesn't rock back and forth. Let's see. Alright, that fits in there. I'm gonna lay this down here. Feel better about that. My wife's foraging kit. Blankets, cheap sleeping bag. Think it'll fly away? I don't. Let's see. Stick one in there. Too windy. All right. Let's move over here. You know what? Actually, before I do that, I want to stash some stuff behind the back seat. I think I can hide some blankets and stuff back here. Yeah. I vacuum packed a bunch of pillows. And a couple of blankets. Actually, no, the latch is right there. So these are too tall. All right, never mind. Put the pillows back here though. That'll work. There. Cat stuff will go on top of that. Put the fridge in here. Or should I just put the fridge on top of this? Just put the fridge on top of this. There. Let me plug it in. All right, we're good. So this is the EcoFlow Glacier, and we're running on the EcoFlow Delta 2 battery bank. Just need to get it in here first. Adjust my seat. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Make space for the cat. I'm gonna go up here. Camera bag. And camera bag goes over here. Alright. We'll throw some last minute things in here. A wife's backpack, some dry goods for groceries, and then maybe another cat backpack. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks. We'll see you at the campsite. Ford Maverick did great getting us out here to Livingston State Park. Campsite. First aid, some gear, and we're going to be reviewing the EcoFlow. This is the Delta 2. So we've been running it this morning. Fridge, you can see it's at 86%. It's got 7 hours left. Wait. And we've been running our EcoFlow Glacier fridge with ice maker. Yep, ice maker. Little table we got from Academy. Blackstone grill. Tote down there carries most of our kitchen stuff. Water, some gear and food. A couple of hammocks. Walmart chairs and footrest. Little stools we're using as footrest. And we're trying it out with Hobbes. Say hi, Hobbes. This is the closest campsite to our house. It's about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours away. So we figured we'd try it with Hobbes this time. If he does well, we'll bring him out to the other ones. But we figured if he didn't do well, we'd have enough time to bring him back. Alright guys.